A robust vocabulary not only holds a great importance in verbal communication, but also in written exams. In order to clear your placement tests, great vocabulary is required. To solve intricate passages, sentence completion questions, error detection questions, everywhere vocabulary is needed. Hey there everyone, this is Isha Grewal, your soft skills and verbal ability trainer. I am back with a video in which we are going to learn 5 words today. These words will be helpful for you to improve your written and spoken English. So let's start with the first word of today's video. The first word is ubiquitous. The word is ubiquitous and it is an adjective. The meaning of this word is something which is present everywhere or something that can be found everywhere. The synonym of this word can be omnipresent and the antonym of this word can be scarce or rare. So if there is something that you can easily find, for that thing we can use the word ubiquitous. Let's better understand this word with an example. The aroma of the freshly made coffee was ubiquitous in that cafe. That means the coffee smell or the aroma was everywhere present in that cafe. So this word you can use in your language and your written English also. So the second word that we are going to learn in today's video is pernicious. The word is pernicious and it is an adjective again. The meaning of this word is harmful, something that can be harmful gradually or in a subtle way. The antonym of this word can be safe, harmless, and the synonym of this word can be destructive. So pernicious means harmful. Let's understand it better with an example. Or the pernicious effects of the pollution have a very bad effect on the health of people. So pernicious over here for you is harmful. So the next word in the video is ephemeral. The meaning of this word is something that lasts for a very short span of time. It is an adjective and the synonym of this word can be momentary. An adjective of the word can be long-lasting, something that has a long-lasting effect. Let's understand this word better with an example. The beauty of the rainbow is ephemeral. That means the beauty of the rainbow is ephemeral. It lasts for a very short span of time. Maybe we can understand it better with an example again. The rainbow after a storm is ephemeral but enchanting. So the rainbow that we see after a storm, it lasts for a very short period of time, but then its beauty is enchanting. So the fourth word that we are going to learn in this video is quixotic. The word is quixotic and it is an adjective again. The meaning of this word is something that is extremely unrealistic. The synonym can be unrealistic, something which is not practical, and antonyms can be something idealistic and realistic. Let's understand this word with an example. The quixotic approach of her to teach her dog how to dance is quite different. So maybe the dogs can never dance, but the girl has a quixotic approach of making her dog learn how to dance. So that is something quite unrealistic and it is not possible. So if you need to talk about anything that is impractical or that is not possible, we can definitely use this word, which is quixotic. So here comes the fifth word and the last word of today's video, which is capitulate. The word is capitulate. The part of speech of this word is a verb. So this word is a verb. Let's understand how to use it and first understand the meaning of the word. So capitulate means to give up or to surrender. The synonym of this word can be to submit or surrender, and antonym of this word can be to defy or resist. Let's take an example so that you guys can understand it better. After a lot of negotiation, the child finally decided to capitulate and eat the vegetables. So that means after a lot of stubbornness and negotiation, finally the child decided that he is going to surrender and eat the vegetables that he was not eating at the first place. So this is the last word of today's video. I hope that this video is interesting and it is beneficial for all of you. Please understand all the 5 words and try to use them in your spoken and written English to make it better. I'll very soon see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.